Alright, time for Awaji Chaos Fishing Part 2, prepping the fish and cooking. Note though that this movie shows scenes of cutting, gutting, and scaling fish.
Was a small child from an area near Rittenhouse Square and once fancy but now slumming.
A few friends and I went fishing on Awaji. We caught maybe 5 or 6 fish, and in this video we prepped them and then fried them up for dinner, and a really delicious fish dinner. I guess so.
But you want to do it like more at an angle? Yeah, so you don't want to get underneath the scales.
Okay.
To be honest, if you reach a point where you're like, nah, fuck this, I bought some extra fish that we can just throw in the oven.
Aww, that's really nice of you,
I
actually.
just felt like it's like, well, it's either we're gonna get pieces of shit.
We have to gut the big fish. Happy birthday, T!
Ew! Look at it! What is it? What's coming out?
Oh, I'm sorry, fish. Thank you for your. Oh my. Oh, how do people do this? I have a new appreciation for like supermarkets
Fisherman.
and fishermen. Oh, is it a? Oh, I can't look away. I can't look away. The vegetables are nice looking, but this is. What?
I can't even say we're doing goals.
Weird.
Like, what am I even supposed to take out? What am I feeling for?
Everything that isn't raw.
Everything?
All the squishy bits.
All the squishy stuff? That's like half the fish. Can we
Oh,
just...
I see its liver.
Yeah, you want to get that bad way out before it bursts.
Oh.
Before it bursts.
Yeah, like don't cut it open, just kind of pull it out.
How I do that? It looks like it's attached or something. Ew! No! It's deep in there. Look, look.
This is like some heart. This,
Look.
how do doctors... Oh my god.
We don't work on fish.
Oh. How do fish doctors be fish doctors? Wait, where is the yellow thing? They go to fish school?
Ew, cause veins.
Oh my.
It was at his heart. Oh my god.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
No.
Happy birthday!
No.
Happy
Turn that
birthday!
back to the ocean.
Go
No.
get
No. Sorry, fish.
the... Oh my god.
Oh, look at it. It's his lungs.
It's just little... Oh.
Fish don't have lungs.
Oh.
It looks like...
What is this? What is it?
It looks like...
It's the gills.
Oh. Alright. I was like...
Maybe it's fish blood.
I learned nothing from
Wait,
ecology class.
fish bladder, fish pee?
No.
Oh.
They have like an air sac. It's what looks
Oh, it's right here. I
Oh,
feel
it's like
it.
the buoyancy thing?
I feel it.
Yeah,
Actually.
yes. Wait, the fish buoyancy thing?
It's right here.
Wait, do I poke it? This
that white thing.
Oh my god. Ew, it's like a balloon!
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's like a balloon that inflates and changes his buoyancy. Oh, biology is cool. And delicious.
And gross.
Yes, bye fish. Oh! Got it. Ew.
Look, it's hanging on.
you're great.
Happy birthday!
Oh no! Return the present to the ocean. I don't want it.
As a warning to other fish.
I'm done.
You've had a good run.
Oh my god, you do it.
Me? Okay. How far up this thing can I go? I feel like I'm in biology class again. I don't like this at all.
Look at it. Oh.
We're gonna eat that. What is that? This looks like a liver. Oh my. Oh
What is
my.
that?
Oh my. Ew.
Wow.
Do I like go like that? Like scoop it? What if it explodes? Ow, there's something sharp. Oh, that's his inner fin?
Inner fin sounds so sad.
Inner fin.
Inner fin.
Within. The power within. The power within.
It exploded. I don't even know what this is anymore.
Slice her up.
Yay, what was that? I don't know! That was probably a stomach. Did I just... Ow! That was sharp. Okay. What is this yellow thing? I don't know. I don't like this. I'm just gonna eat vegetables and freaking broccoli.
For the rest of your life.
No, I can't. I love...
Oh my god. Basically, your fish video is just you doing surgery on the fish.
Basically, yeah, fishing too is just us stabbing a fish for half an hour. And then trying to eat and then failing and then just being sad. That seems pretty done.
You wanna rinse it out?
Yes.
Just the same picture again. So we gotta still cut it and debone it.
Oh, we haven't even deboned it yet. We'll cut it. Oh my. Okay, sink.
There's so much work to do.
Sink.
I'm already tired.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
Skill. Experience.
Oh my
I
god.
feel like I don't really know what to tell you.
Wow.
It's perfect. Oh my god. Look at this. Look how white it is. Like,
Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks so wow. It's good. Mm.
It's so bomb. Oh.
Yummy! Yeah, look at that frying oil. Tanya has the magic touch. This is the work of genius. The work of power. Ooh! She's frying it up. Let's do a review with this boy. Alright, this is fishing round 2. Ooh, Tanya's frying it up back there. Let's see. It's like slightly oily fish.
Oh my god. It doesn't even taste like fish. I mean, I guess it's fish. It's what fish really tastes like.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so soft and just like scrumptious. Like,
Yeah, it's not too fishy. It's just like oily.
Yeah, it's not fishy
but like
at
good
all.
oily and like supple and moist, and it just like melts in your mouth.
yeah, it's not fishy. No fishy like aura or scent or anything. It's just good, fresh fish.
That's what it's supposed to taste like.
Wow.
Wow, it's so good. Mwah. We finished.
I had to try and explain to one of my kids today in like very simple English about my philosophy on life. It was very difficult.
Momo-chan desu.